What's going on YouTube? West Hobbies RC. So today we are back with the Black Hawk 60 by YX models F09. So as you've seen in the unboxing video, we went ahead and we got it all unboxed. We went through all the scale details and snidbits. We are on the stock radio that came with the model. Everything is working like it should. So now we unfortunately don't have any concrete to do some rolling takeoffs and landings on, so we'll just do some regular flying. We have a fully charged battery, we have all the lights on, we check gyro direction. So let's go ahead and let's bring it right here. We're gonna bring it right here and we are going to see it lift off. So now we have throttle hold on, so we're gonna flip throttle hold off. We are in 6G mode, so we're gonna spool up. We are off. A little windy out today, being pushed by the wind, but it is in self-level mode. So we are just going to do some nice scale flying. It is super solid. And you can really see those lights, even how bright it is outside. Radio doesn't feel bad, honestly. Tail feels great. For a scale helicopter, it feels really, really good. Fighting the wind nicely. We are still in self-level mode, 6G mode. Some unscale pirouettes. You'll really see that front light really good. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. This thing flies really good. I don't know flight time because we don't have a timer set. Let's go over here over this part of the grass. We're feeding right rudder in the tail, so the tail's pushing. Bring it on in here. Power is perfect. I mean, this thing has tons and tons of power. It is not needed. It will fly 3D, but we don't need to do that. So flight mode should be our head speed. And then 6G mode, we have full control now. Unscale flying. Yeah, definitely not scale flying, but this thing will get ripping around. But this is just made for nice scale flying. Stall turns, go out over the field. can flip it back into 6G mode. You have your stabilization back. We're still in a higher head speed. You can flip it down, and now we're back in the normal mode here, a self-level mode. It's a very relaxing, very good flying scale helicopter. Actually, we can walk over here and we can do some rolling takeoff and landings. There's some concrete over here. A little harder than you might think. And the light's on the front too. I don't want to tear that light up. We're gonna have to see the timestamp on the video to see how long this flight is. Can we see the bottom lights on the bottom? We have 2 lights left. On our next flight with it, we'll get a little bit more risque. I know it'll do 3D, but I don't want to do 3D with it really. It's just a nice scale cruise flying helicopter. Then we're gonna come set it down. Pilot went out of control. This is one you definitely don't want to run out of battery. Throttle hold. So in all honesty, I am very, very surprised. Now, there might be a way to set up timer in this radio on this T6, so I'm gonna have to look into that because having a timer is definitely nice to have. I would really like to know how long I'm flying for because this particular model here, you definitely do not wanna run out of battery because if it falls out of the sky, you're gonna do damage. Scale helicopters break very, very easily. So just keep that in mind. Don't wanna run out of battery. But I mean, honestly, this thing flies incredible. It is so solid, such a great flying little helicopter. Like, I'm thoroughly impressed. I can't believe how well it flies. It sounds great. You can see all the lights in the daytime very, very well. Actually, I thought you could. That little top green light, you can see that front light a lot. We have 2 bars left on our battery down here. The suspension scale gear came, you could see them when we were bouncing across the road right there. They were moving. The doors, you could leave the doors open when flying. So you could slide these guys open, kind of have that cool door open look on it. So we're gonna definitely get more flights on this thing. I wanna wait till it's dusk out so that way we can see all the lights at nighttime. But man, happily, very, very happy with this thing. So I wanna give a huge, huge thank you again to Heli Direct. Sam, appreciate it big time, buddy. Thank you very, very much because this thing is awesome. When I'm not flying it, it is going to go on a shelf and it is just going to look so good. So I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching. I will link this model in the description below for the Ready to Fly. If you want the bind and fly, it's also on Heli Direct. So I will link the Ready to Fly kit in the description below. And I'll try to link the bind and fly kit as well so you guys can pick you up one of these. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, take care, and have a great day.